welcome to my channel. No. So it's Saturday the 7th. We are going to Melbourne finally. Right now we're at the train station. We're just waiting for the train to come. It's been a bit of a journey actually. The bus saw us and it just drove away. So we had to take another bus. We just missed the train, so we had to wait a little bit extra. We have a tour that we're supposed to go on, but we'll see if we can make it. We're supposed to get there at 10:05 and the tour leaves at 10:20. So we're not really sure if we're gonna be able to make it. We're kind of winging it. We have no idea really where we're going or what we're doing. We're hoping the tour is gonna give us a good idea of what to do. We have an idea of maybe like a bar or a coffee shop we wanna stop by. And we do know that you can rent out bikes while you're there, so then that'll be kind of fun. But other than that, we're lost. We're all lost.